In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shein with Shopify Dropship by Shein. Shein is among the leading online shopping platforms, just like Alibaba, AliExpress, or Walmart. Today, I'll walk you through a simple method to import and dropship any product from the Shein website directly into your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify dashboard right here. Scroll all the way down and head over to the Settings section or find App Store and click on it. From here, you will see all these options. Move to Apps and Sales Channels. At the top, click on App Store. Give it a moment to load so we can set up the tool that will make product importing from Shein effortless. Now, in here look for an app called Robo Product Importer. We have it here. Then click Install, confirm the installation, and within a few seconds, it will be added to your Shopify account. Once installed, you'll see the Robo app dashboard. To use Robo for importing, you'll need its browser extension. Go ahead and download the extension, then add it to Google Chrome or whichever browser you use. After adding, pin the extension so it's easily accessible at the top of your browser. Now, head over to the Shein website. Browse around and pick any product you'd like to bring into your Shopify store. Open the product page. Here then click on the Robo extension. Simply hit Add to Shopify. The extension will begin processing, and within a few seconds, the product along with its title, images, and description will be ready to customize. You can choose your main image, edit details, and then click Import. Almost instantly, the product is added to your Shopify store. To confirm, open your Shopify dashboard. Now, navigate to Products, and you'll see the item sitting right there, ready for you to publish in your online store. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.